happy ducklings went out to play, over the pond and far away. Mama duck called with a loving sound, quack, 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 and 4 came around. 4 happy ducklings splashed with delight, dancing and swimming left and right. Mama duck called with a gentle tone, quack, 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 3 came home. 3 little ducklings, yellow and bright, played with fish from morning to night. Mama duck called, warm and kind, quack, 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 2 she'd find. 2 tiny ducklings ran so fast, laughing and sliding, having a blast. Mama duck called near the shore, quack, 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 came 1 once more. 1 little duckling felt quite alone, missing siblings, missing home. Mama duck smiled, spread wings wide,